Hello, today we are going to prepare a very healthy, unique vegan appetizer which is zucchini boats. This appetizer is good for potlucks. When you are sharing, it's very appealing. At the same time, it's very delicious and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, Seema's Way. Let's start. We need 3 zucchinis. I have removed the tips of the zucchini already. We cut it in the middle and then we cut it lengthwise as well. After cutting the zucchinis into half, we remove the seeds and we make it like a grove. The same thing we do with all the zucchinis. Like this. Then in a pan we add some water just to cover the bottom of the pan, some salt, and we add the zucchinis to boil. We sprinkle some more salt on top. Then we cover the pan and boil it for 7 to 10 minutes. Then for the filling, we finely dice 1 peach. In another pan, for the filling, we add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, half a teaspoon, cayenne, 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon if you like. If you don't like cayenne, you can skip this part. Cumin, half a teaspoon, and paprika, half a teaspoon. Then we mix them. Already I can smell the aroma of the cumin. We add half a cup of crushed tomatoes. You can buy it canned or fresh. Just chop it. 1 cup of red beans. These are pre-cooked. After boiling the beans with the crushed tomatoes for 5 minutes, we add the diced peaches. And we cook it for 5 more minutes, then turn the heat off. For the decoration, I'm using orange pepper. We cut it like matchsticks. I removed the zucchinis. You can know that the zucchini is cooked if you put the fork and it's going inside without any tension. We add the filling. Already it is colorful with the peaches and the red beans. Then for decoration, we add the rose. Look how pretty it is. Let's try one. This is amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, Seema's Way. I urge you to try this and take it to your friends. They would be very impressed. Enjoy!